Hey guys, it's Clara here with Edgewise Media. Today I'm going to share 3 ways that I have improved my video conferencing work from home setup. First things first, I've upgraded my microphone. I found on Cyber Monday a really good deal on a podcasting mic that was only $50. So I'm using it right now. It is the Anker, A-N-K-E-R, not like an anchor, Anker PowerCast microphone. It stands on its own on my desk and it captures my voice beautifully, I would say. But more importantly, it takes out a lot of the background noise. Let's do a baseline recording. I'm going to say the same sentence on both mics. So here we are on the Macbook built-in mic, what you're probably using at home. My name's Clara and I work with Edgewise Media. Today is January 12th, 2022. I'm Clara with Edgewise Media, and today is January 12th, 2022. So now I hope you can hear a big difference between that built-in microphone and this additional microphone. And for $50, guys, this is a cheap way that you can just sound a lot better and come across as more professional on your video calls.